Hello. Talking about composite functions today. Make sure you understand how these work. These are pretty big. I don't know why, but calculus and the AP exam, they love to use this a lot. Not maybe every year, but every other year I've seen it a lot. So here's a brief overview, general overview of how composite functions work. Composite means they're composed of multiple layers, and this is the way I think about it. So composite is when they're embedded within each other. So say I had a of x equals x plus 1, b of the function b of x is 3x, and c of x is 1 over x squared. Composite would be something like what's a of b of x, in which you're taking b of x as your input for a. So if bx is 3x, I could actually write this as a of 3x. So everywhere in my function a where I see my input x, I'm going to actually input 3x. So then that's going to become 3x plus 1. And I guess that's all you can simplify. So there's a of 3 of x, which is also technically a of b of x. And it's a composite function because it's composed of two functions. All right. Say we want to even go deeper and say I want a of c of b of x. What would this composite function look like? So b of x, that function, is now going to become the inputs for c. So it's going to be a of c, and c is going to take your inputs of b of x, which is 3x. Should I have the number of parentheses correct? And now c is going to take the inputs of 3x, so that's c. So then that's going to actually become a of 1 over, instead of the input x, we're actually plugging in 3x, right? Because 3x is the input, squared, which I can simplify that and just write 1 over 9x squared. So now I'm at a of 1 over 9x squared. So now this is your input for the function a. So then that's going to be a of 1 over 9x squared is equal to, or x is your input, that's what we're plugging in, plus 1. Which you can't really simplify, and it's not going to match much if you simplify it. So that is your final answer there. So this is equivalent to a of c of b of x. Right? And it's a lot about understanding inputs and outputs. Make sure you know how to do this using a table. AP Calculus loves to do that. Composite functions from a table with concepts we learned later this year, but this is a part of that problem. Okay. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to come to office hours or ask.